Is this thing on? So, what I need to do on this lawnmower, since I haven't done it I never done it.
Never ever!
Is change the oil and see if I can sharpen the blade. I know some people use files to sharpen the blade, and then they have to balance the blade on something to make sure it won't be wobbly when you put it back. And I want to try that. I think I got a lot of gas in here, so yeah, I don't know. Like when it comes to taking off the blade and I have to like tilt it, would that affect anything? Because I do need to tilt it to get to the blade. And I'm not really sure if the blade is going to come off as easy since I had this for 11, 12 years. But it hasn't given me any issues, so let's see what I can do. So let's see if I can lift it up. Let's try these. Oh wow, it's all kind of string under there. Huh. See if you can see. So there's the bolt. And then there's like all this string or whatever, cordage wrapped around there. But I'm gonna try to loosen that. I'm not sure the size yet. Here's a 15. Too small. 16. Just right. Whoa. So the blade wants to turn. So I'm gonna have to prop something to jam the blade. If I can put that right there, maybe that'll stop it. Let's see. There we go.
Can we square?
No.
Square room.
Okay.
Hey, go down up there.
Now we see all that string or whatever.
Up there. Up there.
So whatever that was. And I thought the whole thing would be sharp, but it's just the edges. So I'm gonna just replace it. I never really sharpened the blade. Feels like I would have to kind of go back even with the lowest dip with grinding or filing. That I don't know. I don't think it's worth my time since I don't normally do stuff like this. I'll just replace it, but let's measure it to get the length so I know what to replace it with. It's like 19 3/4. It's an odd length. I don't know if that would be considered 20 in the store, but I guess that's what I'll look for. I'm in here in the garage sweating, and I asked AI because I was unsure what type of oil that the lawnmower takes, and it told me, like, I guess if the first time you buy a lawnmower, it was like change it after the first 5 hours for a new lawnmower, and then they were saying like change your oil every 25 to 50 hours of operation. I'm pretty sure I used it more than that many hours, having it for 10, 11 years, but it only takes an hour or so to do my yard, so I don't know. But this will be the first time I'll change the oil. It's saying use this SAE 30, so I guess I'll get that when I'm out as well.
I like the Home Depot.
You like a Home Depot?
I like it.
So I returned from Home Depot, and I had to get a Ryobi blade, 20 inch. So I'm assuming it's the same size, which is 19 3/4.
Damn.
And it's not. So that's a bummer. And it does say for Ryobi lawnmowers only. Well, the sucky part is this was the only 20-inch blade. All the other ones was 21-inch. Well, back to the drawing board. Now, since I wasn't paying attention to the labeling on that Ryobi blade that I got, I realized it's just meant for Ryobi lawnmowers. So they didn't have a universal one in stock. I thought that was a universal. I don't know why I thought that. I guess I should have read it. Something I didn't do. So I looked up Walmart, and it seems like they have a universal one. So I'm gonna go fill up my gas in my vehicle, those containers I put in my trunk, and see if that universal blade works. Things. So that'll go with this oil or help. Then they had a filter. I have the 450. It says 450E. The only difference I know is mine have like angles, I think, but since it's like a sponge, you could just squish in there. I'ma make it work. Okay. Yeah. Channels there. The channels like that. You slide this like that. And this goes on here. Like that. Goes in there. Let me take this bolt. I gotta try to get it. Tighten it a little bit. The blade starts turning on like so. The blade blade is hitting all this grass that's stuck under the lawnmower, which is okay. So once it turns this way, so I'm gonna have to jam this here. I tighten it like so. Maybe I can look up how tight it should be. Torque wrench here, and after a little research I found it needs to be between 37 and 50. So I guess anywhere between that. So let's just crank it to 50. No blade flying off. Are we sure we both got a 50? Shoot. So awkward position too. Might just call it there. I strip something. There we go. I don't know if you can see the sweat, but I'm in the garage because if I open up the garage, those mosquitoes will tear me up. So now let's change this air filter. See how bad it is. I don't think I ever cleaned it. Like, I don't even think I took it out and washed it off and let it sit in the sun and do it. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Think it's dirty? Well, it looks like this filter don't fit properly. Can make it happen just by shoving it in here like that. Guess got that turbo mode right here. I'll see how it does. I'll keep the old one just in case. I think this will be fine. If not, somebody will tell me. I hope. That's work. Wipe it off. Looks pretty clean though. What you got there? No. I'm not sure if you guys noticed what happened, but when it cut on, the blade hit all the grass that stuck on the sides. Made a big mess, as you can see. But I'm gonna call it good from here. I'll change the oil next time we run out of gas in this thing.